Welcome all. See, after a long time, again I am coming on YouTube. So today I am going to analyze the Engineering Services Examination paper, ESC mains paper, that is 2020. Recently, it was held on 18th of October. So first, let me take paper 1. Let me take paper 1 and see the analysis. So if you see this paper completely, it is again a typical UPSC paper. We don't find much change in that paper, but I found certain things which need to be highlighted. Overall, I would say the paper is a good paper, neither tough nor easy. So I would rate it as a moderate paper, barring few areas, of course, because there are some very high level questions, there are some moderate questions. So overall, I would put it as an average paper. You know, question number 1 and question number 5 are compulsory. If you see these 1 and 5, I have made one observation. You know, there are 5 questions A, B, C, D, E, and in this, if you see, numericals in first question are more. And when you see this is under section A, this is section A, and this is section B. So if you see, my dear students, in 5 questions, there is, in second question, there is a small theoretical question asked, and in RAC, that is, in this first compulsory question, I would say A, B, C, D, E. And this was a theoretical question, but apart from that, all were numericals, which can be scored easily. Okay, no problem. But if you see section B, except one question, there are 5 parts to this question: A, B, C, D, E. Except one part, all were theory. So scoring in theoretical question is a bit difficult. So unless and until you are so confident of what he is asking, otherwise scoring is a bit difficult. This was very easy question on gas turbines, but these were theoretical questions. So if you categorize the compulsory question 1 and compulsory questions 1 and 5, question number 1 was a bit scoreable, but this, as the theory was more, so therefore scoring is a bit difficult in 5th part of this paper, 5th question of this paper. Now let us go to section 1. In our section A, yes, let's move to the second question. In second question, there was a derivation, a simple derivation, equipotential lines and constant stream function lines from fluid mechanics. It was very easy. Then again, the second question combined with this, it was also theoretical. Fully developed flow and developing flow differences. It was a bit easy. And in fluid mechanics, there was one question that is based on drag and buoyancy. It was a very good question, but can be solved. And in thermodynamics, it was a numerical based question, which was very easy. And if you observe, in thermodynamics, second law was given weightage. I don't say more weightage, but there was a question from first law also, heat work, it was there. But second law, I found good questions. And there was one question straight away. It was from PK Nag, unsolved question. Many students asked me that particular question, 11.1 degree difference. So it was a very good question and easily it can be solved. No problem at all. So second question में क्या था? In heat transfer, there was one derivation. There was one derivation. Others were numerical and theory. So the question paper was a beautiful blend or a combination of, एक बार देखना, if you sit and analyze carefully, it was a beautiful blend of, or rather mixture of, theory, pure theory, derivations, and numericals. Of course, numerical weightage was more, but it was a beautiful combination of numericals, theory, and derivations. In heat transfer, there was a derivation. Now, see, the most important part that is observed is in hydraulic machinery. Of course, we expected many questions from hydraulic machinery, but it was over, I would say. There was a question from Francis turbine. There was a question from Kaplan turbine. There was one question from centrifugal pump. And there was a question from reciprocating pump. In reciprocating pump, it was theoretical and remaining three were numericals. 20, 20, 20, 60 plus 12, 72 marks were asked from hydraulic machinery. At times it happens. So, but he has combined different subjects into a particular section, into a particular question. So you cannot afford to lose any subject. And we found a question on IC engines. Thoda I would rate compared to all other subjects in paper 1. I would rate the questions from IC engines were a bit different. Some were very new. Like he has scavenging ratio, scavenging efficiency, trap efficiency. These were unexpected. But generally students, they don't do these questions. I don't say it is not solvable, but only few tend to do this. So this was a bit new. And there was one more question of V8 engine, changing valves and redesigning. That was also a new question. So apart from these jhalaks, IC engines के छोड़कर बाकी were routine type. So I would rate this paper as a very good paper. Like one more derivation was asked in so he has given a cycle and he asked like in thermodynamics a simple derivation, and he has like show that Otto cycle is more efficient than diesel for the same compression ratio. It was very simple, no problem at all. And look at, my dear students, compressors say there was a question on axial flow compressor. Generally, I do this question in a very detailed manner. It was from notes. And then there was a question on velocity compounded turbine, a routine question, very good question. Those who practice these type of questions, they can do it very easily. And in RAC also there was in air conditioning a simple question, and vapor compression question was also rather easy question. So overall, it was a mixture of easy and some new questions, like as I told in IC engines. Then renewable energy sources to routine manner में है, and but this time I would say कि the weightage was much given for hydraulic machines, around 72 marks, which is huge, I am telling you. So the only conclusion that I make from this paper is those who have attempted, correct attempt, I said correct attempt. So 230 plus के लिए attempt कर सकते थे. You can attempt for 230 plus. I said correct attempt. It was possible to attempt for these many marks in paper 1. So 230 marks plus is a good attempt in this paper. So overall, it is not a very tough, not a very easy, but a moderate paper, a good student. So that's why I say always, learning subject is very important than learning for a particular examination. So those who focus on derivations and then theory, and numericals. That is complete part of the subject. That is complete part of the subject. If you see, it is a mixture of theory, derivations, as well as numericals. And in derivations, you are supposed to write clear-cut assumptions. In derivations, you are supposed to write clear-cut assumptions why you are taking that particular assumption, and you should mention those assumptions and you should write very clearly. So overall, this paper is rated as a moderate paper, and 230 plus is a good attempt in this paper. So except IC engines part thoda different tha, which was not expected, it was not routine. Except IC engines, all other areas were normal. So this is the analysis of paper 1. My dear students, thank you for watching. God bless you all, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you.